Truck cooking with the TRUCKERSLIFE78 creamy garlic chili shrimp over rice.
Ain't tripping. We got about 3/4 stick of butter in here. Sorry about that. I already got the rice going, as y'all see. So I think it's time for me to get a new cell phone holder. There we go. We're gonna let this butter melt, and then I'll be back. All right, y'all, we back. We got a little bit of cornstarch we're about to put in. Just thicken it up a little bit. Not a lot, just a little bit. Because cornstarch works better than flour. Just a little bit. There we go. That's good right there. Then we just mix it around. I'm gonna mix this. Now while we let that brown, as y'all see, I got the seasonings right here. My daughter's teddy bears. I keep those on me. I'm gonna put the onions in. As y'all know, if y'all watch the channel, I don't like crunchy onions. So every time I use onions, you know they're getting cooked. Get these all butterfied. And then I'll be back once these are sauteed down. Oh, you know what? No, I'm not. I'm going to put the seasoning on it. My bad, I almost forgot. I'm spacing, see? It's been a long day. Pepper. There we go. Some salt. Sea salt, of course. This is a real simple recipe, cayenne. Yes, spice it up. Ooh, that got up my nose. Sheesh. Some garlic. Ooh, that burned. Ooh, sheesh. And some chili. Some chilies. This is a Thai chili sauce. Good amount of that in there. Bless me. And then I'm gonna mix that around and I'll be back. Alright, y'all, we're gonna put a little bit of half and half in. And we'll be back. Alright, guys, last final step. We're gonna take this shrimp, put it all in there. We're gonna mix it all around, make sure all that shrimp touches that nice sauce. The rice, I already unplugged the rice, so the rice is ready. I just gotta get the shrimp cooked. And then we'll be done. So you just put it in. I might put more onions in it tomorrow. I'll make more sauce. But hey, we'll be back when I'm plating up. Alright, we got the rice ready. You know, just gotta put the shrimp and the sauce on it. Come on. Got the onions nice and tender. Yeah, plug it. That's good right there. Y'all see? Chili, garlic, onion, shrimp. and other seasonings. But hey, it's time for me to eat dinner and get my ass in bed. I'll holler at y'all later. Before I go, y'all, don't forget to like, follow, and comment.